retract my visor a bit to see where I'm going. Hi, I'm Steve Williams and this is Scooter and the Sticks. I'm out on this fine autumn day on the Himalayan, and I have to say it's an exceptional motorcycle. And I'm not talking about speed or power or technology, but really just the fact that it can do anything and go anywhere for me. So let's go for a ride and I'll talk a little bit more about that. Himalayan is just perfect for wandering back roads, and in central Pennsylvania that means a lot of twists and turns and ups and downs, and just a pleasure to ride. I've been out here this morning. It's cold. It was 49 degrees when I left, and I couldn't get over how just exceptional the ride was. Getting into a little fog here. It's bright sun and fog. You always have to be careful in this stuff. Whee! Yeah, the Himalayan is sure-footed, and you know, it's not a race or anything, but it's got exactly what I need to have fun riding on these roads. The idea of this being a universal motorcycle, an all-around motorcycle, is just, I think, a perfect description for it. It's funny how you go over one side of the mountain and goes from clear blue skies and sun to fog. Now, when the occasion arises that I either choose to get on an expressway or interstate highway, or I'm forced to because of some route restrictions, the Himalayan is adequate. I mean, I'm going up a hill now at 65 miles an hour. Plenty fast enough. And I know a lot of riders think, oh, I need to be able to keep up with traffic. Well, in my mind, that's sometimes the case, sometimes not. I know along Interstate 80, going up long grades, there are plenty of trucks and slower vehicles that I can follow behind that are going 55 miles an hour. Sometimes I wonder whether it's not pride or ego that mandates the idea that I need to be able to pass vehicles already going 80 miles an hour. Certainly not my interest. I'm happy to wander along these roads at slower speeds, and generally I can keep up with traffic. I wouldn't want to ride on these roads all day long. Not that the Himalayan wouldn't do it, but my God, what a bore. What a bore. One of the great things about the Himalayan is you can be riding along on a freeway and decide, I want to do something different. And you can just get on a dirt road. See what this road's like. It's not going to be well maintained, but the kind of road the Himalayan excels at. Just not sure what the gravel's like. Sometimes they put a lot of loose gravel on these things, but it's pretty nice. All the goldenrod's blooming. Those autumn colors starting to surface. Where the Himalayan excels is on these little dirt and gravel trails that crisscross central Pennsylvania. This one is going through estate game lands, and it's just a pleasure to be out alone, just savoring the riding experience here. I think anyone considering a dual sport motorcycle that isn't really focused on wanting the most powerful or the fastest motorcycle might find the elegant simplicity of the Himalayan attractive. And it gets me out on these roads just to look around and explore. I haven't been here in a long time. Gates open. What's this look like? This looks like a nice trail. I'm unlikely to run into anyone on this road. At least not during a weekday. You can tell that this isn't maintained because the water from rain and runoff takes away all the soil and smaller grit and sand, and often you're just left with exposed rocks. Hopefully I think there are a few big ones down here, if my memory serves correctly, but I don't really think I'll have any problems here. So back to the original topic. of the Himalayan as a universal motorcycle. It's fun to ride. It's capable in pretty much any situation. It's certainly affordable as new motorcycles go. And it's easy to ride. Oh, let me stop here for a second. I don't know if you can see down there, but it's a pretty steep drop. You wouldn't want to go off there. No one knows you're out here, because it'd be a while before someone found you. Whoa, why? But anyway, it's a beautiful day to ride. And it's always a beautiful day to be on the Himalayan. Well, I think we're towards the end here. I think I see pavement ahead. A stop sign. That means civilization. Weehaw. So if you're considering a dual sport motorcycle, you may want to give the Himalayan a look. It really is a do everything, all around universal motorcycle. It may not excel at anything in particular, but it will get you where you want to go. So that wraps up another episode of Scooter and the Sticks. Till next time, be well and ride safe.